Hi guys and welcome, this is Hobbytrucker, and today I want to present to you my public mod for you, my Scania Danmark. It was an Easter gift for you, my Easter present, and yeah, I saw someone upload it on ETS2.lt, and the whole community made a shitstorm because yeah, they tested on a game version 1.23 and it's created for 1.22. So if you want to get the best experience with this truck, do it on update 1.22. So now you go straight to the Scania dealer and we go for it. And we search our truck. It should be number 7. No. Whoop. Sometimes it has to load, and yeah. So here we are. Now we go to the garage. And I show you now how to get the best experience with the truck. You choose the top line and not this chassis, because I saw some videos where the guys took this chassis. No, you have to do the 2-axle chassis, and you see you have a good chassis. Short information about this truck. This truck is based by Punisher and my base. It's a mixture of both. And yeah, this truck was originally made for just for fun for me, and yeah. It's full AO baked. You see here it has good shadows, and now I will show you this truck. It's an R580. It was planned as an R580. You can put whatever you want. You see the badges here, so you can choose whatever you want. It works with every single engine. Choose this transmission. Interior should be clear because this one is without the V8 parts. This one is with navigation system or GPS, and you see you have the shift knob here. It's a shift manual shifting, and yeah, here you have no options, or not many options, to do in the interior, to put parts on it, but I think it's a very cool interior. Of course, now it looks very bright, but in game with original graphic I show you later, you see it's not that bright like this one now. Color, I think it should be clear that this is no color. It's map truck. It has no template, so yeah, so it's not very good skinnable for you. But it's a truck you just you should only drive just for fun, not for using for your own mods, to make your own mods with it. You can update the mirrors, of course. I take now the plastic mirrors. Here you can get the normal options with Danish fog lights if you want. You know, it's Denmark, so Danish fog lights, and of course mud flaps. Those are my wheels now. I use, don't worry, they are blue because it's from another project, but I can choose the Volvo. It doesn't matter now. the wheels are not included in this mod, so you should use your own wheels. Michelin. Here you can choose nothing because side skirt is on this chassis already merged, but you can put high pipes on it if you want. But you see he has X used here. Here it is. So the mirror, we choose the long mirror. It's the visor is that long, so you can use the long mirror. But I don't like this mirror. I put it away. Mirror away. And you can put some roof things on it. Maybe you want hearts, or maybe some beacon. In the grill you can put the super logo, but the points, the tuning points are not scaled to the truck, so it won't really fit. Lollipops you can use. In the interior you see now we have options like this. Those are my parts, my 50k options, 50k tuning parts. You can find them in the internet if you download the Punisher base, Punisher Streamline, and there are included 50k add-ons by Julian. You will see, and if you unpack the RAR data file, sorry, I'm German, the RAR file, and then you see the SCS file for these parts. So if you want you can use them, but I don't use them now because I don't like them. So curtains are already on, so you don't need them. Visor is already on, so you won't need it. And yeah, this was all. Now we can make a test drive if you want. So let's go for a little trip with it, just to give you an inspiration. So at first game is a little bit laggy in the moment. So here you see this machine. I like it. I still like it because yeah, it's something special color, not mainstream color. And now we start the engine, put our seat a little bit down because you see the visor and the curtains are deep, so this should be good. And here you see it's not that bright like in the garage. It's perfect to use. It looks good. Of course it's not my very best work, but it's for free, guys, so be grateful for this truck. It was some hours of work, and yeah, so it has full leather seats, V8 with V8 logo, shift knob, and it comes up with the steering wheel. This steering wheel is included and it's animated, you see it works. Sounds, the V8 sound is not included. but I think you will get a good one for it. So it's just for you to see this truck. You see blinkers are working, rear lights and braking lights are also working, but I have no flare pack activated, so please excuse me for that. So now the flares are not working, but believe me, with the flare pack it will work great. So yeah, this was a little video to this truck. Scania, Danmark. Link is in the description. I hope you will have fun with this truck, enjoy it, and PND for all models. PND is open, so feel free to use every part of this truck you want. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it and have fun, guys.